Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your analytics with Google Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To manage your analytics with Google Analytics, start by creating a Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and click on the Start for Free button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, click on Set up for Free to create your first property. Fill in the required information, including your website name, URL, and industry category. Choose your reporting time zone, then click Create. Review and accept the terms of service to proceed. Next, you'll receive a tracking ID and a piece of tracking code. Copy the tracking code provided to you. Now, go to your website and access its HTML code. If you use a content management system like WordPress, look for a plugin that allows you to insert header code. Paste the tracking code into the header section of your website. Save your changes and publish the updates. To verify that the tracking code is working, return to Google Analytics and click on Real-Time under the Reports section. Open your website in a separate tab to see if your visit registers in real time. Once confirmed, it's time to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different sections like audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. Click on Audience to learn about. Explore the acquisition section to see how visitors are arriving at your site. Check behavior to understand how users interact with your website content. The conversions section helps track specific goals, like purchases or signups. To set up goals, go to the Admin section in Google Analytics. Under the View column, click on Goals. Click on the plus New Goal button and choose a goal template or create a custom goal. Define the goal details according to your business objectives. Save your goals to start tracking conversions effectively. Consider setting up Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager for more advanced tracking. Create a Google Tag Manager account and link it to your Google Analytics account. Add additional tracking tags as needed for events or custom interactions. Dive deeper into your data by using custom reports. Go to the Customization tab and click on Custom Reports. Click on plus New Custom Report to create reports tailored to your data needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.